Something new happened today. Yeah, the rims too. Something new happened today. Ain't just the rims though. Ain't even the front. But the rims, that's all. No, I lie. The rims got powder coated. No shit. The rims got powder coated. Oh, say what's up.
Yeah!
Real nigga. But something very special happened today. Not even these damn rims and how shiny they are now. Fuck the rims. Them things. Them tips coming out the bag. And they black. So, you know, they look very good. Hey, y'all don't mind my bumper. I gotta fix it. But yeah, got them black tips coming out the back now. Yeah, had to handle that. Black tips cost me. I got them at the shop. So if you're in Lafayette, Louisiana, make sure y'all hit up Custom Muffler. Fire ass shop. They handled that for me today. But I paid for the tips and I paid for the labels. So I paid $140 and I spent like $155 after tax. So it wasn't bad. Changed the sound a lot. Y'all about to hear that in a second. I'm gonna get Uche to stand back here while I rev it. Yeah, these things nasty. Ooch, bro. Them hoes really nasty. Fuck you with it, bro. Oh, give me some.
Yeah, I like that.
Give me some.
I like that.
Let's hear that thing. Put that down, Ooch. Put that down there, Ooch. Handled that today. I ain't gonna lie to you. The best $150 I ever spent. It look good as shit. It literally just sticks out. This person about to fuck up my video. Oh, you wanna? Oh, what's up, Ooch? What's up,
Gotta
Ooch?
flex for the picture.
Oh, what's up, Ooch? Ha! Nigga fire. Yeah, man. Got 2 projects done in one day. Got the wheels powder coated. No more plastic dip. Got the wheels powder coated today. She got a wash. And she got new tips coming out the back. 3-inch dual tips coming out the back. So now she look like a real car without them fake ass tips. Oh, let me show y'all this bullshit. Get them tips, please. She just look way better, to be honest. But look at the bullshit Dodge gives you in your car. What the fuck is this? Look at this shit. This is what Dodge gives you with the car. Oh, it's all sprayed because we was like seeing shit. But yeah, look at this bullshit Dodge gives you. That's not even connected to your exhaust at all. And for anybody that don't want to pay for the police real valance and just want to get the tips on the back like the doubles, all you gotta do is literally, you gotta cut the screws of these, which was a fucking bitch. Cut the screws of them. Then you gotta cut the bottom. Once you cut the bottom, it's gonna slide right out. And you can put these on there. But yeah, that was about a bitch to do. I damn near fucked up my bumper doing it, honestly. And I gotta get that fixed. But it's all good. But yeah, man, just wanted to show y'all the new video, what I did now. In this woman's yard and everything, she ain't hit us. Oh, yup. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. New videos coming soon.